Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation of a circle, and we are asked, based on this, to find the coordinates of the center of this circle. So the form that the equation of a circle takes, where you can find the center from it, would be x plus h squared x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where hk is the center and then r is the radius. So we have something that sort of looks similar. We have a bunch of x's and y's, but we need to get them into this squared terms. So to do that, we're going to complete the square for x and y. So we have x squared plus 20x plus something, and when we put this together, it's going to be looking like this. And we have y squared plus 16y plus another, again, some number. And then this is going to be equal to negative 20. And then you have to add back these values in, because you have to add them to both sides to keep both sides equal. So how do we find these values? Well, if you think of x plus a squared, right, where a is just some number, what is this going to look like? Well, it's x plus a times x plus a. And when you distribute this out, you get x squared plus ax plus another ax, so plus 2ax plus a squared. So in this situation, we want to find a squared, and we know 2a. So we know for x, 2a is equal to 20. Therefore, a, dividing both sides by 2, is equal to 10. So we know that we have x squared plus 2 times 10x, which is 20x, plus 10 squared, which is 100. We want to do a similar thing, just with y. Nothing changes here except the variable. So we have y squared plus 2ay plus a squared. We know that 2a is the coefficient for the y term, which is 16. Dividing by 2, we get 2 over 2 is 1, so a is equal to 16 over 2 is 8. So then we have a, we're looking for a squared is going to be this term, which is going to be 64. And again, you have to add them into both sides, but this is going to come out to some square of a number, which is going to be the radius. We don't actually really have to worry about this side. I'm just going to leave it as it is, because what we're focused on is h and k, which are on this side of the equation. So we are told that we need to get it in these forms. So we have something squared plus something squared. And we actually just found what that was. In our process of getting to these, we found that we have x plus a squared is the form of these. So we have x plus and y plus. And we know for this x term, it's going to be x plus 10. And then for the y term, it's going to be y plus 8. So x plus 10 squared, when you factor it out, it's going to give you this. And y plus 8 squared, when we factor it out, is going to give you this. And then this is equal to this. I'll actually just write it out as 144. Plug that in your calculator if you want. And then we have the proper form for the circle. Almost, it's minus h, not plus h. So this is x minus negative 10, right? Where if you were given this and you distributed the negative, it would turn into x plus 10, which is what we want. And then y minus negative 8 squared is equal to 144. So x minus 8 squared, h in this case is negative 10, since you're subtracting negative 10. So h is negative 10. And then we have y minus k squared, y minus negative 8 squared, so k is equal to negative 8. So then our center, hk, is equal to negative 10, negative 8. This is the point, this is the center, this is lining with B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.